Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on Jasmy. Kind of an update as well. Last time I covered it is like 2, 3, maybe 4 days ago even. But I know that a lot of you are still trading it and are very interested in it. So I just wanted to make a quick little update. Give you my thoughts on where it's heading. Give you also my thoughts on what's going on right now. So that's what we're going to do, mainly on the technical side of things, but we have to go over the fundamentals of the entire market as well. I think you need to know that. So let's get right into it. Before we start, I do want to say that if you want to receive trading signals, also on Jasmy, then check out the links in either the pinned comment or the description. There you'll find instructions on how to join. All right, so let's start with the analysis. I think it's good to start with the market. Right now, the market, as most of you know, is fairly bearish. Bitcoin is dropping down. I expect it to keep dropping down. Mainly the economic circumstances around the market have changed for the worse. It seems like inflation is going up again and therefore interest rates as well. That was also confirmed in the testimony by the chairman of the Federal Reserve in the US yesterday, that they will probably rise more in the future. That's bearish for crypto. And apart from that, you also have the regulation and stuff. So there's just more bearish fundamentals than that there are bullish fundamentals. Which leads me to believe that the market will be relatively bearish in the upcoming period of time. Let's say next 2 months at the very least. So that leads Jasmy to be quite bearish as well. We've practically been bearish as long as the market has been bearish. All right. Technically, we really lost the bullish momentum for Jasmy when we broke down below this level here at 0.64 cents. But all right, doesn't matter that much. So we've been in a downtrend. What you can see though, and even though this downtrend has been pretty strong, right? I mean, you can just see it, just lower lows down the board. But even though that's the case, you can see that it has slowed down a little bit. Like for example, right here, we already found some support, still lower lows though. But this second time, you actually can see that we're making some sort of higher lows. They're not confirmed yet, but the thing is that Jasmy has reached quite a strong support level. And that's this level right here, around half a cent or 0.5 cents. It's psychologically, it's a very strong level. But it also, I mean, technically it's also very strong. And on the daily, I'm not sure if it makes it stronger or not. No, not really. I mean, so we have a strong support. In the end, the downtrend is still very strong as well. And there's a lot of resistance at 0.56 and 0.6 cents as well. So I don't think there's a big chance at an uptrend or something, but I do think we got a good chance of actually consolidating and kind of stabilizing, which I would consider as bullish as well. On the short term though, even though we've been making higher lows for a very short period of time, I do think that we'll still drop down to this level around half a cent because we haven't reached it now yet. So it seems like we have some bullish momentum right now. We might reach up to like 0.55, 0.56 cents, but from there, I do think we'll drop down to half a cent. And yeah, as I said, I think we can hold that level in some sort of a consolidation / range. The thing though is, which I think you need to understand, is that I think the chance is very slim that Jasmy will make big moves apart from Bitcoin, right? So even though I think we can consolidate on top of half a cent, because I think technically it's a very strong level, that doesn't mean I think we can also rally. I think to do that, we would need to see a relatively bullish Bitcoin. And at this point of time, I see no reason for that happening. Perhaps next week there is a reason for it happening. And sometimes those reasons can also come out of the blue. But for now, I think we'll just kind of stay in this area until we get some very definite direction from the market. Right, so if Bitcoin gets a major bullish or bearish breakout, or if there's some big news. But I'll keep you updated on that, of course. But for now, pretty boring, I know. But I just think the resistance at 0.56 is too strong. At 0.5, luckily, is strong enough to hold us. So that's my take on it for now. If you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, take care and bye.